And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 191. Let me show you the 3D materials. This is basically just a graphics overlay, but you can access it under 3D and materials. And by the way, it's not just extrude and bevel, also the other ones here. You can left click on them and this will access the same menu. We'll go with inflate in this case. It's going to give us a 3D sphere-like design. Then we switch to materials. Let me close these windows. I've just made it a little bit bigger, so maybe yours looks smaller. By default, you have the base materials, but if you open the Adobe material right here, you will find a couple of inbuilt presets. For some of them, it takes a little bit of time. As I've said, there's an overlay with a certain lighting effect, and this gives you the illusion of a 3D graphic. You can scroll down and there are further options right here. So if you're not happy with the inbuilt presets, you can access right here the substance. What is it? Kind of like a library. It's an official Adobe library, so you should be fine downloading this. But for this video, we're going to stick to the inbuilt defaults. All that it takes is to left click on it, and then you can open the properties down here. And the properties, they look different depending on what material is active. So if you just have the defaults active, let me scroll back to the base material right here. Properties should be fairly slim. We only have the roughness and the metallic. Impact of metallic is very prominent here. But for example, here, this first one, what is it? This curvy. You can see there are lots of properties to adjust. So depending on what preset you've picked, this will change a little bit. All of that also works on text, but it doesn't look that spectacular anymore on text. So this is a good overlay for shapes, but with text, it looks like a simple texture blend effect. So decide for yourself if there's something that you want to use. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.